Est-ce qu'il pourrait imiter un animal? I'm the dog. Wesh wesh! He knows what's going on down under.
Oh, yeah. Good question. Congratulations. You survived.
Thank you very much.
Next question.
Hi, I want to know...
Wait, stop. Just so we know, if a question fails, I want everyone to boo really loudly.
Oh,
Yeah?
that's not nice.
Il dit si vraiment la question est mauvaise, on veut vraiment vous entendre huer.
Okay, here we go. Are you nervous?
Who do you miss the most on the Vampire Diaries?
Qui lui manque le plus sur Vampire Diaries?
Answer that question. Who do you miss the most from the Vampire Diaries? You can say me if you want.
That is a very tough question.
I know.
Or you can make it easy and just say me.
C'est vraiment une question difficile.
Our TV show has had a lot of amazing guest stars.
Including Cole.
You know, listen, I love Nate. No, the bottom line is, though, Nate and Cole always keep coming back and always keep popping up. But I will say that Atlanta has not been the same without good old Matt Davis.
C'est difficile de répondre, mais quand même c'est Matt Davis qui vient en premier.